Hey everybody, welcome back to Useful AI Hacks. I just wanted to jump on here real quick and let you know today is the 1 month milestone, besides for it being a very special day, Memorial Day. Thank you for all you that gave everything for our safety and freedom. But this has actually been 1 month of daily posting for Useful AI Hacks, letting you guys know the latest in AI, all the industry updates and news and tutorials of different awesome AI platforms. And we really want to thank you, because a month of daily postings it's been tough, but we couldn't have done it without your support. Your support has been totally amazing. I'm so grateful for each and every one of you guys, because you not only liked the video, you shared it, and even better, you commented back and let us know that we were either on point or maybe slightly missing the point. But this is all just a thing about improving. Every time we're just going to be getting better, showcasing more AI platforms, more useful AI hacks that'll make your day better and free up your time so you can spend time with your friends and family doing the things that you love. So anyways, your feedback, it really means the world to us. I'm not kidding you whatsoever. It really does. And we want to keep making this content, very helpful and informative for you. So we'd like to know, I'm just being honest here, daily updates, is that too much for you guys to ingest all at once? Should we slow it down to maybe 2 or 3 videos a week? Or do you like having the brief daily updates? If so, we'll keep it up as much as we can. But let us know in the comments, and I hope all you guys are having a wonderful Memorial Day. Thank you again for being awesome viewers and watching our content, just rambling on about cool techie nerd stuff. That's kind of my life. I'm a computer programmer by trade, and that's what I got to kind of get into, and I really like the fact that you guys are enjoying that we're bringing you all this awesome AI industry content, because I think it's just game changing. I can't even imagine what it's going to be in 5 years, much less 10 years from now. I mean, this has happened in the last 2 or 3 years. It's just totally changed the world. So thank you guys very much for supporting us and watching and commenting and sharing, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Memorial Day and a great week ahead, and we'll see you soon. In fact, tomorrow at 11 a.m. we're going to launch another video. So I hope to see you there.